So here is a nice, light, and refreshing salad straight from the garden and a grocery store called Aldi. So I love this salad. This is the first time I've made it. There are many variations of this salad online, but I love how this turned out and I wanted to make sure to share it with you. So from Aldi grocery store, I picked up some fresh mozzarella cheese along with some prosciutto and some balsamic vinegar. And from the garden, I am using some melons and some fresh herbs. Please feel free to use a cantaloupe or honeydew and watermelon. A lot of these will work great in here. So for the first time, I am growing this little French melon. It's a lot like a cantaloupe. It's called a Charentais. I think that's how you pronounce it anyway. And I also had a honeydew melon growing, but it sure did not get big. But anyway, it was real sweet. And then from the herb container garden, I'm just going to use some basil and some fresh mint leaves. And so we'll start by just reducing some balsamic vinegar. I think I'm using about a half a cup. And you just want to bring that to a slight boil and then reduce the heat to low and just let it simmer for about 5 minutes. It will reduce nicely and then turn it off and let it cool off on the stove. Meanwhile, you can go ahead and prepare your melons, whatever you're using. You can use watermelon. That would be great too. And of course a cantaloupe. And so I'm going to actually make this a little bit pretty here and go in with a melon baller and make just the small little balls. And those will be nice bite-sized pieces for the salad. And I'll do the same thing with the little tiny honeydew melon, which turned out to be really sweet. Certainly not anything close to what I've gotten in a grocery store lately. And then on top of our little balls here, we'll just pull off some little pieces of the mozzarella cheese. And then I'm cutting about 1 strip of the prosciutto right on top of the salad into bite-sized pieces. And my cooled balsamic glaze, we'll just drizzle a few drops over the top and then a little bit on the plate. You don't want to go too crazy with it. And then for our fresh cracked pepper, make sure you put a good turn or two on there. And then some of the baby basil leaves and then some of the mint leaves. Adds a ton of flavor, just really good. And now it's time to dig in, and I want to get a little piece of melon with a little piece of the prosciutto and of course some cheese. And there you go. So I hope you can give it a try soon. Thank you so much for watching, and y'all have a beautiful day.